Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is So I thought I would come on and
profess my love
for this color. I got my nails done in this about like a week, almost 2 weeks ago now, and
I did 5 days of matching this nail polish
because I love this nail polish here, this color. This has been my color for like the last 6 months now. It's like this tannish, mauve-y, brownish red color. I love it. I matched it for 5 days. The first day I went to work and I did my makeup. But I also wore this headband here. It is so pretty. Look how well it matches these nails. And just put it on for the rest of this video. It's so cute. These are my types of headbands. I love these headbands. I also have my Dolce & Gabbana glasses in like this color. I've had these for almost a year now. So love these so much. So I've just been doing like kind of some runarounds and things like that. So I have this sweater here. I wore this one of the days. It's this sweater from Target. Look at the sleeve. The reason I got it was because of the sleeve. It has like that bubble type sleeve. Look at how pretty it is. It's more of a deeper type of red brown, but it's so pretty. It matches perfectly. I love this. Look at this. Yes. The next day I went and did like some errands, and this is also from Target. I think
all of it's from Target. This must be Target's color too this year.
It's this like mock, or kind of like a turtleneck type shirt. Yeah, I wore this just to go get something to eat and like a little cute little date thing, you know. I think I wore them both out on dates. Yes, it's a long sleeve. It's kind of short on me. It's more like of a crop top on me, almost like it doesn't go all the way down like the sweater, but it's so pretty, so cute. It is like perfect match to my nails. But so whenever I have to wash my hair, I don't like to put on my work clothes right away. So I get up and I put on like an extra outfit or pajamas or whatever. And so I got these at Target too. These are kind of like a sweatpant trouser. They're like crop top. This is in an XXL, so they're a little bit wide on me. I probably could have got the extra large for a little bit more of a form-fitting type one, but I love these. I love this color. They had a matching sweater at one time, and I got these when I went home for the wedding so I could have something to get ready in during like prep for the wedding. Okay, and then the last thing in this color, I just throw this on and I wear it all the time. This is from Universal Thread, and it is this puffer coat in the most beautiful color in the whole entire world. It was easy to match my nails this time because everything I have is basically this color, you know. I don't have shoes or a purse, which is crazy, but how about this? Yes. Okay, so this is it here. Universal and thread in an XXL. I got this on the clearance rack for like 10 bucks. Amazing, amazing find. I love this. It fits me just fine. It's perfect. Love it. But that is everything that I've been wearing for the last week to match this beautiful color. I thought, why not profess my love for this color in a video like this? If you guys know of anywhere else that has this color in like purses and shoes and earrings and all that stuff, let your girl know. This headband is from SHEIN. I got these at LensCrafters from Dolce & Gabbana, and this is an Old Navy scarf. That is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna try to see if anything is available for me to link down below. I'm probably just the headband, but maybe the glasses I can find. But I think everything else is already out for the season, but I will try to look for it and try to find it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video so much. I love you guys so much. If you want to see anything like this on my channel or anything else on my channel, go ahead and drop it down in the comment box below, and I will do my best to provide a little yes. Alright guys, don't forget to hit like and subscribe and hit that bell button, that bell notification button if you want to see more videos by moi. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
Bye-bye, adios.